But let's focus in on Interglobe Aviation and what a wipeout it was, or a washout quarter for the company. A net loss of 2,844 crore rupees is what they delivered. Revenue from operations plunged a whopping 92% on a yearly basis, and largely operations of airline companies we know have been severely hit due to the pandemic and have been heavily affected due to government orders. Let's bring on board my colleague Vivek Iyer, who joins in to break down the numbers for us. Vivek, walk us through the disappointing earnings for Indigo and tell us a little bit more about what the management had to say.
Well, if you wanted any indication of how exactly the lockdown has impacted corporate earnings, the best indicator is Indigo, that is Interglobe Aviation. Have a look at the numbers. It's been a total washout as far as Indigo is concerned. And what has actually happened is that a lot of it was priced in, a lot of it was something that the market already anticipated. But still, just look at the numbers on a year-on-year basis. It's a bit of a shocker. You're talking about revenues going down almost 90% on a year-on-year basis. And again, this is something that the market really, is quite subdued, given the fact that yields as well as the load factors were something that were quite subdued. The EBITDAR loss, now remember the earnings before the income tax, depreciation, amortization, as well as the rental costs, are something too that has come in at a significant loss of a little over 1,400 crore rupees. You're talking about the company declaring a loss of close to 2,840 crore rupees. Expectations were close to that, but still, the actual loss figure has come in slightly above what the street was anticipating. We also heard the con call. Now the management is going in for a fundraising. Now the management is doing all that it can in its power to go ahead and ensure that it can conserve cash. And what is actually happening is that the company is doing fundraising. The company has gone ahead and taken significant salary cuts. Company has also said that it hopes that the fare caps that the government has put as far as the entire industry is concerned also goes away quite quickly. So overall, very cautious positivity coming in from the conference call. However, the numbers are a bit of a washout along expected lines.